In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently restore deleted records from your Salesforce account using the Dream Efficiency 5303 interface. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important record or just need to retrieve some information, this guide will walk you through each step of the process in a clear and easy to understand way. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, your launching pad for all things Salesforce, you're set for the next step. Here, you'll see a variety of tools and options designed to make managing your data smooth and efficient. Now, direct your attention to the App Launcher. The App Launcher is typically located in the upper left corner of your homepage. Click on it. The App Launcher gives you access to all your Salesforce apps and items in one convenient location. It's like your personal hub for anything you're trying to accomplish within Salesforce. Next up, we'll be finding the Recycle bin. Once within the App Launcher, search for Recycle bin. The Recycle bin is a crucial feature that allows you to retrieve files or records that have been deleted but not permanently erased. Think of it as a safety net for all unfounded moments when you might accidentally delete essential data. Now that you've found the Recycle bin, our task is to select the record you wish to restore. The Recycle bin will display a list of records that were recently deleted. Scroll and browse through until you spot the record you intend to restore. Select it carefully to ensure you're restoring the right data. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity of your information system, so take your time here. Once you've pinpointed and selected the correct record, the final step is to simply click on Restore. You'll find this option usually located beside the selected record. Clicking Restore will effectively place that record back into your active database just as it was before deletion. Depending on your needs, restoring the right data can save you from potential data loss issues in the future. And there you have it. We've successfully navigated through the process of restoring a record using Salesforce. Remember, becoming adept at using these tools not only saves time but ensures your data management remains uninterrupted and efficient. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made your journey with Salesforce a little smoother. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.